So today I'm going to show you guys how to make Bajoran earrings out of some old necklaces. So start by getting yourself some cheap necklaces from a second-hand shop, and each one should have a charm on it because the Bajoran earrings use the charms to represent their home planets. So in this case I've got a horseshoe because I have horses on my home planet. So take the chain off of the charms. Then you want to take a clip-on earring finding, and you want to hook that onto the chain, leaving a little tail of a couple inches. So usually these have little hooks on them, and then you just tighten them with a pair of pliers. And so there it is once it's been fastened. So then you want either an ear cuff, or in my case I just made an ear cuff by taking a little pewter ring and cutting it in half and then bending it into the shape of an ear cuff. If you have a real ear cuff you can use that too. Then just take a really thin piece of wire and put that about halfway down the chain, and you're just going to wire that ear cuff to the chain. So there's the clip-on, the end, and the ear cuff. So then the loose end you want to bring back around and run that somewhere through the clip-on earring finding. So you've got two tails hanging off there. Then grab yourself some charms to represent your planet. And then you'll just wire those onto the two loose ends that hang off so that you've got your little charms on them. So there's the charms and the clip-on part, and then I'll attach the lower part of your ear and then of course the ear cuff. So then I made a second one using the horseshoe necklace. In this case the chain didn't come off, so I just took the clip-on part and I wired that right to the horseshoe charm. Just like that. And then I had the two tails of the chain, so the part with the little clip, I clipped that onto the clip-on part of the earring finding, and then I just took another thin piece of wire, and where the chain folded I attached an ear cuff, and so that holds the chains together and gives me a tail on which I can attach another charm. I just took this little wing and wired that on. And then I had the one with the charm. And here's the one with the horseshoe and the feather. I think initially, correct me if I'm wrong, but I think initially when they first introduced this, the women wore them on the left ear and the men wore them on the right ear. But then later on they changed it so that everybody just wore them on the right hand side. So that's got this one on the right hand side.